Go, Sonny! Oh, that was fun.
Hey.
Babies, Marley wants to teach you acrobatics. Ready? Go! That was amazing! Do another one.
Hey.
Marley, I think the babies also want to drive on the ramp. You want the babies to land and drive through your tires? Barry, go first. Ready? Go! Way to go, Barry! And when you grow up, you'll use the big ramp.
Huh?
Aha! You want Marley to flip over you. Chili, you first. Awesome! Oh no, Sonny got scared. Sonny, trust Marley. Believe in yourself. You did it, Sonny! Amazing! Babies, Marley is too big. Why don't you flip over each other instead? Nicely done, Barry. Wow, so much fun. Remember, Sonny, believe in yourself. Marley, do you want to jump over all the babies at once? Outstanding job, Marley!
Hey!
That was a great spin. Babies, why don't you try to spin as well? Wow. See what you can achieve if you don't give up? 1, 2, 3, go! Good one, Marley. Babies, did you learn to trust others, believe in yourself, and know your limits? Poor Chili isn't feeling well. Can you go get help? You need to wear masks so you don't catch Chili's cold, guys. That's your heartbeat, Chili. Don't get too close to Chili, Sonny. Good job. Always use a tissue. It's not candy, Sonny. It's medicine. Here's something for you and Barry to take with you. Wash your hands first. And don't get too close to Chili until he's better. Hooray! Chili is all better. He stayed in bed, ate his vegetables, kept his cold to himself. All right, babies are playing pass the ball. Chili, catch. Wow, that ball is levitating. Babies, look! It's a super wizard truck. Wizard Truck is levitating the ball with his wand. Babies, what is the shape of the ball? Do you know any shapes? Super Truck, will you teach babies about shapes? Babies, are you excited? All right, the shape of the ball is a circle. Yep, babies are about to learn more shapes. Babies, do you see a shape? Good job, babies. You remembered the circle. Yay, here are some boxes. And this is a square. Babies, it's dangerous to play on the road. You'll learn more shapes from the road signs. Do you see any shapes, babies? This is a triangle. Babies, can you see any more shapes? Hey, Super Truck, can the babies have the wand? Each of you will point at a shape. Good job, Chili. That's a rectangle. It's Sonny's turn now. Good job, Sonny. That's a star. It's Barry's turn now. Good job, Barry. That's a cross. Okay, babies. Let's give the wand back to Super Truck. Babies, come back. Oh, look, kids. What a nice kite. Let's try and make it fly. Oh, now don't give up so fast. I'm sure you can do it. Good idea, Chili. This should work. It was so close. Don't give up, babies. Look! Sunny is right. There was a hole in the kite the whole time. Well done, babies. I knew you could do it. What are you up to, babies? You'll get in trouble. Do you want to use the yellow paint? Do you want to use the blue paint? You're right, Barry. If Tim wakes up, you will all be in big trouble. Look behind you, babies. Scrub harder, babies. And next time, don't get in trouble. Enjoying the sun, babies? Babies, it's just the clouds. Uh-oh. Looks like a storm is coming. Babies, it's time to go home. Barry and Chili, you still want to play? Sonny, do you want to leave? Barry, Chili, aren't you afraid of the storm? Babies, it's dangerous to play in the storm. Stay away from the water, babies. No, Chili, that's dangerous. Always avoid water during thunderstorms. Babies, time to find shelter. No, babies, avoid trees during thunderstorms. Lightning can strike and hurt you. Babies, where's Barry? Barry! Whew, there he is. Babies, help your friend. Chili, you want Sonny to come with you? Don't be scared, be brave for your friend. Good job, babies. Always be helpful. Yeah! Babies, Carrie will keep you safe. Ooh, babies are finally safe. Drink up, babies. Always get home quickly during bad weather. Ahoy, babies! How do you like Pirate Carl? Are you ready for a treasure hunt? If you succeed, there'll be a treasure. What are you looking for, babies? It's a treasure map. What does it say, Sonny? So the map told you to come here? How mysterious! Look at you guys. You look like real pirates. Ahoy, Billy. I see you're part of the treasure hunt as well. If you want to dig out of the treasure, you guys will need a shovel. Good job, babies! Well done! You found where the treasure is buried. Let's start digging. Don't worry, babies. I'm sure that's not a real ghost. He just wants to steal your candy. Blimey! What a lovely treasure! And what an adventure! Thanks, Carl. Thanks, Billy. Our babies are back to school. Barry, Sonny, Chili, where are you? Can you see them? Oh, there you are. Why don't you go and play with the others? Looks like the babies are not so confident about their first day. Your teacher Lily is right. Go and mingle a little. Come on, Sonny, get in line. You can do it. Come on, Chili. Go have fun with your new friend. Come on, Barry. Time to spin. See, babies? School is an awesome place to make new friends.